Hello and welcome to SHUS Dental Academy. Today I am very proud and happy to be in company of Dr. Prerna, who has been selected in the INICET May 2024 exam, and the counseling is just around the corner, and she is going to be joining very soon in one of the colleges of her choice. So Prerna, just tell us about yourself, your selection in the INI exam, and where you are going to join now.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prerna and I have done my BDS from ESIC Dental College, New Delhi. Soon after my graduation, I thought of preparing for the MDS examination, and since then I have been preparing for the same. Earlier in the last attempt, I was not able to make it up to MDS selection, but I got the non-acad JRship at AIIMS New Delhi. So this time I gave another attempt and luckily I got selected, and I'll be soon joining the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at AIIMS Nagpur.
Okay, so Prerna, you've done your JRship at MAIDS, AIIMS also. You've been consistently, cracking those exams. You told me you cracked VMMC JRship exam also. वो नीट में इतना थोड़ा सा पीछे कैसे रह गए रहेंगे?
Sir, actually I was not very sure about preparing for MDS at the beginning. I started late, but when I started, my main focus after I joined the non-acad JRship, I thought that something could happen at AIIMS only. So I was looking more towards that way. So maybe that's why.
What makes you go towards endo? Why did you choose endo? You were having some other options as well.
Sir, right now I think it is the most wanted branch going around us all, and also like if I see the future, I think it is a very good option to pursue, so that's why.
A lot of innovations also are coming in endo.
Yes, sir.
Coming to your preparation, you did not prepare very hard for NEET MDS because I believe you were into IAS preparation. What made you leave the IAS preparation and come back to preparing for NEET MDS?
Sir, in the beginning I was very enthusiastic about choosing the field of UPSC, so I went there and I joined the academy, and I was in full support that I want to pursue that as a career. But when I went there, there were some insiders, there were certain things which I got to know, like the people who themselves have pursued this career are now teaching in the academy, as they were sharing their own experiences of how they felt during their job, the job period, and I got to know many things which were not on the favorable side of the job. There is a lot of bureaucracy, and all of these things are happening, and the people who themselves were pursuing this as a career have left the job, such a prestigious job, because of these things only. So I thought that this is not something that I would like to pick, so
you get a lot of job security, but at the same time you have hassles from the ministers, a lot of red tapeism is there, bureaucracy related problems are
Yes,
there.
sir.
And you have to be hand in glove with the what do you call, system which is going on, which is not everybody's cup of tea.
Yes.
And then they can post you anywhere, so you
There
are
is
always
no
away
stability.
from that. There is no stability in your positioning.
Yes.
That is after 10 years, 15 years, when you become little senior,
Yes.
then perhaps you start to get a little bit of hold. So fantastic. You tell me, in so little time actually, how did you manage to crack the AIIMS exam? This was a very tough exam.
Sir, I think for this I would definitely like to give all the credit to the academy only. And today also, each and everyone who comes and takes advice from me, my first advice to them is that for AIIMS or for NEET, without any doubt, just join the academy. The question banks that the academy has provided me, I think that has been the edge and nothing else. So for this, the whole credit to the academy.
So thank you, Prerna, for choosing us and making us proud. You are from ESIC, and you have been maintaining the same result which ESIC gives every year in both NEET and the AIIMS exam. I hope many more students from ESIC make us proud, just like you have done. Thank you very much for coming here, Prerna, and congratulations for your
Thank you
selection.
so much, sir.